When you know this, it will be an honor. These are the ones that are robed in the black. These are the judge magistrates. You will know them as a witness and a testimony. You will know them as the two witnesses, because they've gathered both pieces of war and peace, and they sing the song of completion. Most of us know this, that where we are, most of us feel a little isolated, a little lonely. That's about to change. But I will say, well done in your long suffering. Through the extrapolation, you found wellness as a whole measure, and you've distanced yourself from the influence of the world, and you've seen it for what it is. And then, because the Hebrew knows how to separate this out to produce what is necessary to become. So there was a desire, and the Spirit did say, write a book, but this was years ago. But then we started looking at, oh my goodness, the word is Sephirot, and the word begets the word, and the sentence begets a paragraph. And when the paragraph is paired precisely, perfectly, there I am as a universe. I am one written verse. When I beget myself, I'm now page upon page, from cover to cover. I am the role between the vision is now cast, and I fulfilled the book as the Sephirot. I'm now sealed, and I can be closed and opened in one breath.